To be able to have pets is such a privilege and such a special thing. And I'm not talking wise words now. I have also cons and negative sides with my pet love and them. Because as you see, they're taking up the whole bed. They're, you know, mostly. Sometimes I fall off the bed because they're taking up all the space. But that's because they want to be close to me, and that's why I can't get mad. They want to feel my skin, and they're good pets. And I love them so much. I can't explain how much I love these animals. And I know I have to move. And I already looked on the internet to buy traveling cages. They're gonna where I go, they go with me. Look at them. How can you not love these animals? Yeah, so happy content. I just want to share my love for my dogs with the people that follow me. But really special. This is what keeps me alive. This is what makes me want to wake up in the morning. Don't get emotional. No emotions, no emotions. Stop it, stop it, stop it, Melissa. Yeah, I want to share that. That's it. I have nothing else to say.